Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm opening Crash 1000 guys. I actually recorded a video but it was a bit longer. So right now we want to quickly take some sales, all right, on Crash 1000, all right? So we want to quickly take some sales. There we go. Let's increase the lot size a little bit. Okay. Let's put it on 50. That's it. All right, guys. So I actually opened some position on Crash 1000 right now. So while the positions are running, I want to explain to you what is happening. All right. So what you're seeing on your charts, let me zoom in. So you're actually seeing this red line here. You're seeing this red line, this one. And when you see this red line, it actually tells you like price is on a potential downtrend. Okay, on a potential downtrend. Okay, it might be a long term, it might be a short term, it might be a retracement, but it is a potential downtrend. So when you actually see this one, there is an indicator here. So an indicator will pop in to say you can sell. So the conditions are when you see the red line and when you see the arrow, you need to take your sell. You get what I'm saying? And wait for the spike. That's the thing. So how can you get out of the market? So let's find a perfect example. Let's find a perfect example. So you see spike just came. It's a small spike. We wanted a big spike. Crazy crash 1000. Oh, I mean, yeah, it's Crash 1000, isn't it? So how can you get out of the market? So here, let's say you entered here, you get a long stretch. This is Crash 1000, okay? You got a long stretch. And when you see this blue line here start popping up, close your trade. Okay, close your trade. Market is not spiking anytime soon. Okay, so let's go back. So here we say you close. All right, you close. So when you see red sell here, you close. Right here, you close here. When you see this blue one, you only sell when you see the red one. Sell. When you see this one, you close. Okay, this is a tight stop loss. Okay, this is a tight stop loss, guys. This is a tight stop loss. All right. So when you see this one, you sell. But when you see this one, you close. All right. So on Crash 1000, guys, I only opened the trade because this is where I just saw a potential spike coming down. All right. So let me take you. This one is actually meant for boom and crash 500s. You can use it on Crash 1000 when you don't have some good setups at the moment, because boom and crash 500 pairs, they are going the direction of ticks like crazy. Like boom have been selling, crash have been buying now, retracing up. So I couldn't find a signal. All right, I couldn't find a perfect signal. Okay, so let me show you what do we do. Right, on Crash 500. So on Crash 500, the conditions are you only sell when you see the red one and the red arrow. So the red strap is showing you that it's a potential what? Okay, guys. So I think I need to close Crash 1000 because I'm actually trading Crash 500 now, guys. So my monthly robot just started, guys. This is okay. Let me just show you something. All right. So this is what I call my monthly robot. Okay, it opens positions for me and I trade it for a month, then I do some cash out. So I need to close Crash 1000 positions. Close Crash 1000 positions. That's it. So I only have as you can see, it opens some positions for me. So that's one. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So this is Crash one. This is my boom and crash scalping robot. All right. It trades all direction. All right. It trades all direction. So it needs you to have a bigger capital because you actually waiting for the trend, so it will be hit by all the retracement, but your capital needs to stand, okay? Because once it goes on the direction of the trend, the market will go forever, and you just do your cash out every month. All right, so I'll be only making sure that my machine will only switch off for a while and then restart it again, okay? And then restart again. So let this one run. Let's see my robot run now. Okay, let me just do the video quickly and then show you how it works. So you don't take this signal, guys, although the spike may come, but this is not a guarantee. So you only take the signal where you see a red one. So this was a tight stop loss. So I took the sell here and then close on this one, close on the blue one, okay? So I took the sell here and close on the, oh, these are only 2-3 candles, okay? So here was a good spike, small spike. So when you see the red line, you sell, all right? You don't sell on the blue line. No matter the signal comes, don't sell on the blue line, okay? When you see the red one, sell. This one don't sell here. It's on the red one. So this is actually a risk management strategy, okay? So here you sell, here you close here, okay? You sell, you close, probably less than $1 loss, okay? Here you sell. This was a neutral. Then here you don't sell, okay? So this is how it works. It's actually a trend direction spike detector, guys, okay? A trend direction spike detector. This was a loss, this was a loss, this was a loss, this was a spike, okay? Spike. When it is in red zone, you sell on crash. All right, when it is in red zone, you sell on crash. Red zone, you sell on crash, okay? Let's go back. We want to find only where market was in a potential downtrend, okay? Market was in a potential downtrend. Here you sell. Here, when you sell here, let me show you. I need to be quick with this thing. When you sell here, you only wait 1, 2, 3, and then you close. But the blue one tells you to close. Even if the spike comes, guys, it was not guaranteed that the spike will come, okay? You see all of this one, the spike are coming, but it's not 100%, okay? But we need to have a certain rules. You don't catch all the spike in the market. Don't be greedy. Catch 1, 2, 3, 4, and go home, all right? And wait for another time, all right? You wait for another time, 1, 2, 3 spikes. Here you lost. This stop loss hit. Here you catch this one. All right. You have so many chances. You sell here. Here you sell, it was a neutral. Here you don't sell. All right. So this is how it looks like. This is how it is. Okay. This is how it is. You sell. Here you sell a stop loss hit. Here you sell a small stop loss here around 3 candles. All right, you close. Sell. Okay, so on a stop loss, you can hold for 5 minutes. You can hold for 5 candles. I mean, on a stop loss, you can hold for 5 candles. Then you close the market. So market was in a firing uptrend. As you can see, it does not show you the red. But when market is in a potential downtrend, it can actually show you some red, and you can sell. And then you can sell. But when market is in the blues, it does not tell you to sell. All right. Sell. So this is how the strategy actually is, okay? When you go to boom is spiking up, right? Yes, it's spiking up, but it is not yet guaranteed that it might give that a potential uptrend. So buy, and then you close here. All right, let's find another buy. All right, buy. All right, you buy here, you close here. When you see a small reaction, guys, you wait just for 3, 4. Always wait for 5 candles, then close your market, okay? Always wait for 5 candles, then close your market. When you to hit stop loss, always wait for 5 candles. But when you are in the trade for a long time and then you see the red one coming up, close instantly, like this one. When you were in the trade for a long time and you see the red coming, close instantly. Don't wait for 5 candles, all right? Close instantly. You know what I'm saying? Close instantly, okay? That is an abandoned signal, okay? Abandoned signal. Here, you catch all the spike, small reaction, you catch this spike. Here, you're in a trade for a long time, close your trade and wait for another entry. Here, spike came, all right? Spike, then stop loss. So this can actually works Guys, when you are trading spikes only, this actually works for you. Why? Because you'll be only trading what? Spikes only. Okay? You'll be only trading spikes only. On the blue side, buy on boom 500. Buy on boom 500. When you see a blue arrow on the blue line, buy. When the red arrow comes, when the red line comes, right, when you're in your buy, you wait for 5 candles or you close instantly, depending with your capital. This can actually be traded with something that have small capital. Those people that are crying that how can I trade boom and crash? This is the only way to trade boom and crash, not to trade all the spike. Trade on a potential spiking zone only. All right. So when the market is not in a good spiking range, there is no way for you to lose. Because you keep on losing money. You keep on losing money because market is going down. The market is going down. It is in a downtrend. Look at it on M15. What can you say about this? This is a heavy downtrend. But when you are in a market like this one, right? When you're in a market like this one, you will catch a lot of spikes here in M1, okay? Than when you're here. Because my indicator only shows you the potential uptrend. On a downtrend, it does not give you spike. It can only give you spike. All right, let me show you something, guys. This is not a movie. So this was a retracement, right? If you go to M5, you're looking for that retracement. This is the retracement. Let's go to M1. Let's see what the M1 was saying about the retracement. You see this retracement? On the retracement, what do? You catch the spikes on the retracement. You enjoy the spikes. But when market is not in a retracement, when market is in a good, strong downtrend, you don't get any spikes on boom 500. Same as crash 500. All right. Market is actually on a downtrend right at the moment. As you can see what is happening right now. Market was in a downtrend. You catch all the spike. All right, you catch all the spike. But when market is in an uptrend, you don't catch any spikes. Same as crash for 1000. All right, you see small spike. Market is trying to retrace back up, but this red zone can actually give you some potential spiking zone. All right, so this is the indicator, guys. I'm going to give you the indicator and you're going to see what you can do with it. So I'll be actually trading crash 500 for a month now. My machine will be running this account for the whole month, and then we'll just take the profit, load it home. This robot, guys, is not yet advisable to people because I am still seeing how I can adjust it. But at the moment, I need to use it with my real account and see what it does in your real account before I release it. But at the moment, I'm giving you this indicator. Be good to this indicator. Play with this indicator. Be familiar with this indicator, guys. All right. Thank you for watching, guys. And thank you for watching. And I'm dropping this indicator right now in my Telegram channel. So the link to the Telegram channel is in the description of the video, guys. Always in the description of the video, I drop the link to the Telegram. You go there and you download the boom and crash free Spike Detector. Follow what I said. Follow the trend. Don't go against the trend when you're trading boom and crash. Okay? Specifically for spikes, not for scalping this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching.